My paper is about Henry Louis' masterpiece, The Last Samurai, and evaluating the intertextuality and intermediality of The Last Samurai. My paper title is Reframing the Canon, Intertextuality and Intermediality inherent to each The Last Samurai. So, I'm going to discuss about The Last Samurai. So, before we get into the theory, we have to know about the brief context of the novel. That the novel follows Sibylla, a brilliant but imperfect single mother in London, and her son Luke. And talking about Luke, he's a brilliant guy. So he's a brilliant student, and he begins reading Homer in ancient Greek at the age of 4. You can imagine that at the age of 4, we can't read the books of Homer in Greek only. But the peculiarity of Luke is at the age of 4, he started reading Homer. So the Samurai is the title and refers not to the boy, but to Akira Kurosawa film Seven Samurai. That's a Japanese film called Seven Samurai. So the watches this film 100 times. So that's the classic movie. And Sibylla plays a role because she lacks a main role model. As I mentioned earlier, Sibylla is a single mother. As she got from one night stand, and the name of his father is the boy. He's the biological father of Lupo. But he is an ordinary guy, not an intellectual person. So this presentation argues that Dewitz uses intertextuality, the relationship between text and intermediality, that is, the crossing of different media, to predict how we learn and how we define greatness in the text. So I'm moving to the Julian Mustafa's the concept of intertextuality in the concept of Julian Mustafa. He famously quoted that any text is constructed as a mosaic of conditions. My text is the absorption and transformation of another. So Mustafa is about the text, the way they start talking about the text. And so Mustafa is claiming that any text is the absorption and transformation of another text. So Dewey takes this semiotic theory literally. The protagonist, the child prodigy, does not just read the canon, he raised within elaborately cultural artifacts, most notably Akira Kurosawa's Seven Samurai and the Islamic sagas. This paper argues that its use of external media serves to dismantle the great books tradition of the text, replacing the static list of titles with the dynamic, global and multimedia approach of the human knowledge. So, I already told that he watches the film 100 of times, treating the screen as a window into the world of ethics that his absent biological father fails to provide. So, as you know that a child needs father and mother equally, but here only knows about his mother, and he is questioning or he is searching about his father through the movie The Last Samurai. So to expand on this, let's look about its Odyssey. That is, to understand this novel, specifically the novel function as a parallel set, we see the influence of the Odyssey. That is, search of his father mirrors, Telemachus' search for Odysseus, and the Islamic sagas, providing the cold, hard logic of fate, then the tale of Egypt, that is, offering a long western lineage of art. So, the writer is not just showing up, she is suggesting that the western canon is each insufficient on its own by bringing in Japanese and Islamic text, she replaces the static date books list with global survival fit for the image. Now, intermediality, the novel as a of mankind. So, this is for the